How to get notes on Instagram on computer. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can get notes on the Instagram on computer, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to get notes on Instagram on computer, all you have to do is just open up your instagram.com and then you should be able to see this type of interface. Now by default, if I go to this DMs tab, which is on the left hand side, you can see the messages, but you can't really see the notes tab. So if you want to see those notes tab, we have to enable the mobile version of this. So to do this, what we are going to do is just right click on it, and when we right click on it on an empty space on instagram.com, you'll find the inspect button. So just go to inspect. Now once you go to inspect, right beside elements you'll find a little icon which is this computer mobile like icon. So make sure to click on this icon, and then on the left hand side you will see this interface. Now if you look over here, you can see dimensions. Under dimensions you can select any sort of mobile that you would like to view it as, and once you have done that and you select a certain mobile here, just refresh your browser. As I repeat, do not forget to refresh your browser. And now once you refresh it, you should be able to see all this, and now you can come to the DMs tab, and when you do that, this time you should be able to see the notes option. This way you'll be able to see Instagram notes on computer. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.